Stop. Before you watch another video about AI, open your laptop or your phone right now, because this video is different. I'm not going to talk at you about AI. I'm going to sit with you and we're going to use it together for the first time, live, on screen, from the very first word to your first real result. If you've been putting off actually starting, this is the video that changes that. Let's go. Okay, we're inside Claude. Let me show you exactly what you're looking at. This big empty box in the middle, that's where you type. Simple as sending a text message. Up here, this is where your conversations get saved. Every chat you have gets stored so you can come back to it. This button here creates a new conversation. Use this when you're starting a completely new topic. Keep different topics in different conversations. It keeps things organized. And this, the projects feature. This is where you store ongoing work that AI needs to remember long term. We'll use this properly in Module 2. That's the whole interface. 2 minutes in and you already know more about this tool than most people who've been using it for months. Clean, simple, just type and go. Okay, first conversation. And I'm going to show you something important. How you type your first message makes a massive difference in what you get back. Most beginners type something like this. Give me business ideas. Give me business ideas. And they get a generic list that could apply to literally anyone on Earth. Not useful. Now watch what happens when you add just 3 more pieces of information. I'm a beginner with no experience in online business. I have about 7 hours of free time per day. I want to make money online using AI tools. Give me 5 specific business ideas that would work for someone in my exact situation. Explain why each one is good for a beginner. Same question, completely different result. Watch. Look at this. Specific, detailed, actually relevant. This is the difference between a bad prompt and a good one. And this is exactly what Module 2 is going to teach you to do with every single thing you type. But for now, notice the pattern. The more context you give AI, the more useful the answer. Okay, I'm going to give you 5 exercises to do right now, while you watch this video. Pause after each one. Try it yourself. This is how you actually learn AI, not by watching, by doing. Exercise 1, email writer. Type this, adjust it for yourself. Write a professional email to my manager asking for 1 day off next Friday. Keep it short, polite, and confident. My name is your name. Hit enter. Read what you get. That just saved you 10 minutes of staring at a blank screen. Exercise 2. Explain anything. Pick any topic you've always wanted to understand. Could be investing, could be nutrition, could be how the internet works. Type. Explain to me like I'm a complete beginner. Use a simple analogy. Keep it under 200 words. AI just became your personal tutor. Free. Available anytime. Exercise 3. Content ideas. This one's for creators. Type. I run a YouTube channel about your topic. Give me 10 video title ideas that would get a lot of clicks. Make them specific, curiosity-driven, and under 10 words each. Screenshot the ones you like. That's a month of content ideas. Generated in 30 seconds. Exercise 4. Personal coach. Exercise 4. Type. I want to build a side income online, but I only have 2 hours per day. Act as my business coach. Ask me 3 questions that will help you give me the most personalized advice possible. Watch how AI starts asking you questions. This is called a coaching prompt, and the answers it gives after are genuinely more useful than most paid advice online. Exercise 5. The feedback machine. Write 1 paragraph about yourself, who you are, what you want to achieve. Doesn't have to be perfect. Then type, here's a paragraph I wrote about myself. Give me honest feedback on how I can make it clearer, more compelling, and more specific. Then rewrite it for me. AI just became your personal editor. This works for bios, cover letters, social media profiles, anything. Before I let you go, 5 mistakes that almost every beginner makes. Know them now. Save yourself weeks of frustration. Mistake 1. Treating AI like Google. AI is not a search engine, it's a collaborator. Have a conversation, not a keyword search. Mistake 2. Accepting the first answer. If the first response isn't quite right, say so. Make it shorter, or be more specific, or give me a different angle. AI responds to feedback brilliantly. Mistake 3. Trusting everything AI says. AI sometimes makes things up confidently. Always verify important facts before you use them anywhere serious. Mistake 4. Giving up after one bad result. A bad result means a bad prompt, not a bad tool. Refine your prompt and try again. Mistake 5. Not saving the good stuff. When AI gives you something great, save it immediately. Copy it, screenshot it, keep it. You can't always get the exact same result twice. Okay, you just had your first real session with AI. 3 tools set up, 5 exercises completed, 5 mistakes you'll never make now. Video 4 drops in 2 days. We're going deep on something most people never think about, how AI actually thinks. And understanding this is going to change how you use it forever. Next, how AI actually thinks. Understanding this changes everything. Comment below, which of the 5 exercises gave you the most useful result? I want to know. As always, I don't know where you're watching from, but I know you're building something real, and I'm here for every step of it.